welcome. Today I'm here to share my July Calico Collage design team project. This month I am using the Grandma's Garden digital kit from Calico Collage. It is a super cute kit. And I made 4 single signature journals. They're paper covers. They all have sari silk ribbon closures, and when I was looking at the kit, I noticed that there were 4 major colors throughout the kit. So what I decided to do is make a journal emphasizing that color in each journal. So you'll see like there's a tan, there's a blue, the greens, and then pinks and purples. So you'll kind of see that as we go through the journals. They're very similar, but there are some unique things in each journal, which is kind of fun. Again, a sari silk ribbon to match for the closure for each journal. This one, and you'll notice all the covers are very different. This one, I have some, make sure I'm in frame. Yeah, I have some fabric back here, and then some paper that I used in the journal, and then this really fun, this is a I think it's a 7 Gypsies architecture piece, and then this is a Tim Holtz butterfly, and then this fun fabric flower, leaf flower thing. And there's the front and the back. So the pockets and tucks are pretty different throughout all of the journals. This one has a tag that I made a while back, and I used this big card here to make the pocket, and I wanted this to be a little more sturdy since I do have a metal piece. I didn't want this to be flimsy. Even this is cardstock. I wanted to give it a little more oomph so that it was more stable. So I thought this big pocket on the front would help with that. I have this really fun scrapbook paper that matched the kit perfectly. Look at this other side. Doesn't it just match? This is part of the Calico Collage kit. So pretty. So this is the blues and greens and purples book. So you'll see I have purples throughout. I have some fabric here kind of scrunched up. I made a little tuck spot with an envelope. And I have a journaling card in here. Added some fun stickers that look like tickets. In my stash I had this wheelbarrow that went perfectly with the garden theme. And it's coffee dyed paper. And here I have a garden cardstock paper that I had in my stash. And again, blues and purples. This is a page from the kit. So pretty. So I was pulling the blues, the purples, and here I have a little tuck spot with some journaling cards. This is a page from a garden book. I love this. This I actually received, oh man, a year or so ago when I ordered some garden things from Amour Fabriques, and it says production record, and it's supposed to be what you use to you grow and all that good stuff in your garden. Thought that was perfect. The birds, this is from some scrapbook papers. I think this is Stamperia, however you say it. Scrapbook paper. I love that paper. A ledger page. This is actually a page from her hummingbird kit, but I thought it just went perfectly, and with this page I wanted to show that you can mix and match digital kits that you already own, and I thought this was perfect. And who doesn't love a good butterfly or hummingbird in your garden? This is the envelope that came in the ephemera portion of the kit, so I just added some tickets. And I have this really cute butterfly paper clip. Man, it's stressful. Can't think of the words. I thought this was really cute. Thinking of Grandma and Grandma's garden, this nice green chair, you know, like one you'd find at Grandma's house. Gardening season. I also received this in that pack from Amour Fabriques. I will have her link listed below as well. if you are interested. And this is another scrapbook paper, and this paper has some gold foil, so pretty. I added some tags in the center. And then over here, I have this little paper book that I made to add notes or journaling on. Here's one of Norella's big tags that she makes in her journaling kit. So pretty. Perfect for journaling. It's really pretty. I added another paper clip here. This is, I think it's handmade paper. I'm not sure. But the texture of it and the speckles are so fun. So it's really, really perfect. I love the texture. Really perfect for the journal. Great space for some journaling. In my stash, I also had a gnome in her house, you know, for the garden. And here I have a little tuck spot with a piece of flower ephemera, and it's a tally sheet. This would be really fun to add images to, or you could cover it and add some journaling. I thought the colors went perfectly with the kit. The back of that other paper. And then here's this really fun piece of ephemera. Goes with the garden, I thought. And then the other page of the kit. And here I have a text spot with several cards. This one I thought went perfectly. It says Grandma. And then I have some tags. And this is a tag from the kit. And the birds, beautiful birds from the kit in the back of the book. So this is the bluish purple book. I will have these listed in my Etsy shop, probably not until this weekend. It's back to school time here, and it's been crazy town in the Brandon household. So if not this weekend, early next week. So if you're interested, you can always leave a message, and we can contact each other through YouTube, or you can message me on my Etsy shop. I'll have it listed below. I'm going to offer free shipping on these. So again, they will be listed very shortly in my shop. Alright, so this is the kind of neutral yellow journal. And I found this really cute little doily. This is from the kit, and then I just layered it up with some papers. Here's the first page of the kit. And I have this fun little flip out here to add journaling to. This beautiful floral. So I was going with the colors of the butterflies for this kit, just kind of this subtle yellow tannish. Then I found this paper in my stash. I couldn't even tell you. It was probably a thrift store find. But the texture of this, it's like, it reminds me of bamboo. I just think it's so fun. This is from the kit, and then I made some journaling cards with some of the scraps. I left this pretty minimal, but I think this would be a really fun section to decorate some more. There's a music page with a vintage music. That's a vintage music page. This bumblebee paper that I had that went perfectly. A while back I made these little file folder file folder, like just mini file folders. And it had the blues, and I thought it went well. I added this Grandma's Garden poem that's part of the kit. Some blue graph paper. A recipe. More of the coffee dyed paper. And then a tag and a little tuck that matched the colors. This really pretty page from the kit. And I thought this was fun. Just some random stamping and fun colors. Again, another one of those gardening season pages. Some stickers. There's some more stickers. A little flip out. Another page from the kit. Here I have a pocket that I created, and it has different tags and items from the kit. Here I used a tally card and I made a side pocket. And this flips out. So this again can be a journaling spot. Here is another one of those little paper stacks that you can use for journaling. Flip out there. Another little tuck spot with some journaling cards. The other side of that butterfly page with the big beautiful bird. Another tuck spot. With the tag. I thought this butterfly sticker went really well with the idea of the garden. And there's the back of the journal. So there is journal number 2, the yellow tan journal. Wrap those up a little bit better later. All right, let's move on to this one. This one has some pinks and purples, you'll see. So I had in my stash, oh man, trees. I had in my stash this pink ribbon. I think I actually got it in friend mail and I thought it was perfect. And then the beginning of the kit, so I kind of went with these colors in this kit, or in this journal, sorry. Here's a little tuck spot. I did some layering. Another one of those big tags, scrapbook paper. Another beautiful page from the kit. Here we have, this is a tuck, this is a tuck, and this is a tuck. This I used a die cut, and this is Rinea Foil. And if you haven't seen my videos, if you go to Rinea on YouTube, you can see I've made some videos for them. I'm on their design team. And the foil is just so fun to work with. Another page, another beautiful page from the kit. See, pinks, purples, so pretty. I did just a little collage. I had these felt flowers in my stash and then these wooden buttons. Another pocket. And I made a little tag to go with. Another card, tuck spot. This is also a journaling card from the kit. Another one of those production records. And then this is also from that same gardening package that I received, from Amour Fabriques. And it says garden variety, and it has all these fun gardening things. Very 80s. Little tuck spot. And this says, please return my book too. Please return my book. And it has the mouse. Thinking of the mouse in the garden. Beautiful page. Another beautiful page. And then I have some tags and another one of those little flip books. And the flip here. This is a book page, and it was a boy in the garden, so I thought it was perfect. Another little tag. And this is a little fabric ribbon and a ticket and a button and a decoupage sheet and lace and ribbon that I layered on there. Beautiful. Isn't her work is just so stunning. I love it. And then I stamped a flower and then did some collage. And that's the back of the journal. So here's the pink journal. And then this one is blues and greens. And I found this doily in my stash. Not doily, it was a handkerchief. And I thought it matched the fun birds on the cover. So it's on the front and the back. And then we'll jump in. So here we have blues. I have a tag and a little booklet. And then I was taking this color kind of as my guide. And it's so fun. This is all from the same digital kit. But the way she has it is you could put all of these different pages in the one kit because they all work so well together. But as I was flipping through them, I'm like, hey, wouldn't it be fun to do like a color theme? But I mean, easily they could all go into one kit. Or you could do different signatures. Here's a tag that says family. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy local and farm fresh, and that's kind of the same thing. Thought that was perfect. Talking about the farm and the garden all kind of go together. And then another scrapbook paper, one of her big tags. And then a rabbit, could be in the garden. Another boy on the farm. This is also paper from that kit that I bought from Amour Fabriques. Some journaling tags, or journaling cards, sorry. Some lace. Another, beautiful page from the kit. Tuck spot. Here I used a recipe card. Farmer's Market. And then I tucked some more recipe cards in the envelope. Thought that was super cute. In my stash. Thought this bird was great for a little tuck spot and journaling card. And this beautiful center. Milk jars, jugs, and a little tuck spot. And this here I have green craft paper instead of the blue. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. And I have another tag. So these journals would be great for a gardener, a grandma, of course. There are places that say grandma, but I don't think you would have to necessarily be a grandma to use these journals. There's a couple of places that say grandma, or like the grandma tag. If you're not a grandma, you could just journal or cover it. But it would be super cute to give as a gift to a grandma, or what would be really cute is if you, as the daughter or granddaughter or whatever, filled it up with memories and pictures and then gave it to a grandmother. Wouldn't that be cute? I think that would be cute. There's another page. So there we go. That is the blue-green journal. So again, I will have these listed in my Etsy shop. Free shipping for these journals. Keep your eye out if you're interested. Message me if you're interested, because like I said, it's probably going to be a couple days before I can get the pictures taken and all that good stuff. But if you're interested, let me know. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I know this is a long video because I have 4 little journals to go through, but I do appreciate it if you waited till the end. Thanks so much and have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.